Hello and welcome to the Canva tutorial video for beginners. In today's video, we'll help you learn how to use one of the most popular graphic design tools available today, Canva. If you're a beginner or haven't used Canva before, don't worry. This video will give you a simple and straightforward way to start using this tool. We will go through the basic steps to create beautiful and professional designs. You'll learn how to choose from existing templates, edit them, and customize them to fit your needs. Plus, we'll also teach you how to create designs from scratch using Canva's tools and features. The designs on Canva are divided into 7 main categories: business, social media, video, marketing, custom prints, cards and invitations, education. Depending on your needs, you can choose the main items to design your publications. To be able to use Canva conveniently anywhere, I recommend downloading the Canva app to your computer. Now, Canva will be similar to another famous design software, Photoshop, when you don't have the internet. However, you're missing out on an arsenal of designs available for you to use. Currently, Canva provides software for download on O2 platforms, Windows and MacOS. In case you want to use Canva right on the web browser, you can simply visit website canva.com. Depending on the needs of use, each person has a suitable use for themselves, but keep in mind that to get the most out of Canva, make sure you have a fast and strong internet connection. You can sign up to use Canva using your account, business email, Google or Facebook account. Canva is a reputable website worldwide with 11 years of development, so you don't need to worry about losing your account or personal information. Here, I will register with Gmail by granting Gmail permission to Canva, and then create an account very quickly and conveniently for future logins. Other ways to register and log in are similar to using Gmail. Canva offers to service packages free and Canva Pro. You will have 30 days trial of Canva Pro with a new account if you find it useful for you, and otherwise you can cancel it after 30 days. For basic needs, the free version is already enough for you. Canva Pro will help you unlock more templates, fonts, photo, element, and more. All the designs you make and the materials you use on Canvas will not need to worry about copyright issues. Next is the interface and features of Canva. On the left is your account information and quick access tasks. On the right is the information section and design options. In the info and preview section, we'll show the proposed designs for you, your old designs. After you create a design or a template, the right side will show the tools and data you use in your design, as well as the layer of that design. The next section is the element, where the materials you use in the design are available for you to search on the Canva. Next is the text, where the typographic is created. You can enter your own text and edit it later, or choose a template text available on Canva. Then there is the brand section. Here you can set your brand and save the brands that you like and feel beautiful. Next is the upload part. You can upload files here or use the files you have uploaded before. Draw is the part where you can manually draw what you like here. There are many choices for you. Crayons and necessary tools for you to draw according to your preferences. The upper part is the redo and undo toolbars, and resizing your design. This part you can only use when you are a pro member, as well as elements with crowns. Project is the part that displays old designs and files that you have uploaded. Apps are tools associated with Canva and element pages that provide you with free or paid elements. In addition, Canva also allows you to directly edit details in your design, edit colors, remove background, automatically remove objects in photos, replace objects in photos with Canva's AI, add and edit effects on that detail. You can customize the color, density, and how much these effects and colors affect your subject, like I'm doing in this video. I will only guide you through this video, Stay tuned for more in my next videos. Moreover, you can change the position and layer of the object. The object on top will cover the object on the bottom. Other tools with that object are flip horizontal, flip vertical, create animation, customize transparency, copy style effect and paste that effect into another object, crop object, speed up custom length for video, create transitions, and many other features. Finally, download the design to your computer or phone. You can also share it directly on social networks or save it to your personal driver. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lessons. If you have any suggestions, please send them to me so I can improve myself and bring useful knowledge to you. Canva tutorial.